Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Niche Scraper product research tool, my review finding winners. Niche Scraper product research tool is designed to help e-commerce entrepreneurs, particularly dropshippers, find winning products to sell online. It aims to simplify product research by providing data on trending products, competitor analysis, and potential profit margins. Key features appear to include product discovery, competitor analysis, and sales tracking. Their website provides details on the various plans and features offered. Niche Scraper emphasizes the time-saving aspect of their tool, allowing users to quickly identify profitable niches and products without endless manual research. They highlight their curated product database, updated regularly with trending items. While pricing information should be available on their site, it's positioned as an affordable solution for businesses of all sizes. The underlying technology seems to involve scraping data from various e-commerce platforms and social media sites to identify emerging trends. Availability should be worldwide, as it's a web-based service. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Niche Scraper product research tool. Getting started was pretty straightforward. I signed up for a trial and was immediately able to access the dashboard. Navigating the interface was fairly intuitive. The product discovery section allowed me to filter by various criteria, like product category, price range, and sales volume. I was able to quickly generate a list of potential products and then dive deeper into individual product analytics, including competitor analysis and estimated profit margins. I tested the competitor analysis feature by inputting a few product URLs from AliExpress. Niche Scraper provided data on the product's sales history, pricing trends, and even the marketing strategies used by competitors. The performance was decent, though occasionally the data loading took a little longer than expected, especially when filtering for very specific criteria. I did have a quick question about the sales tracking feature, and their support responded within a day via email, which was helpful. I was really impressed by the sheer volume of product data available within Niche Scraper. The standout feature for me was definitely the competitor analysis, which provided valuable insights into the competitive landscape. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would be useful for on-the-go research. It also took me a little while to get used to the advanced filtering options, but once I did, it significantly improved my search results. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Niche Scraper. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs for quick and efficient product research. That's my overview of Niche Scraper product research tool. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.